Right, you loved this last time, so we're doing it again. But this time, it's our main man, the Burger King himself, Jamie Spafford, and he's going to try and cook a burger in sub-10 minutes.
Bring it on. Right, Spaff, you have got the same base ingredients as always, but you have been able to bring in 3 from home, and you have the chance to win those if you get your trivia questions correct. Which ingredients have you brought in to jazz up your burger?
Number 1, it's me. So obviously, bacon, streaky, smoked, already cooked. Number 2, slightly out of the park, but chili heatwave Doritos.
Those also pre-cooked.
And my third ingredient is actually a piece of equipment. I brought a burger press in from home for speed and accuracy.
So taking on the 10-minute burger challenge today is Jamie Spafford. He's coming in at an age far too old for YouTube at 36. He resides in Hertfordshire in the UK. His favourite dish are Juicy Lucy sliders, which is also the same name as his wife. He's world famous for creating a paella burrito and being banned from the shores of Spain. His unique skill is photography, as you can see from his Jamie cam. He has just learnt what aperture is, but he still fails to use it.
I was going the wrong way. I film things now.
Good luck, Jay. Back to the studio.
Okay, Jay, to win your boosted items, you have 3 quick-fire questions. Question number 1.
In the £2.50 versus unlimited butter. In the £2.50 versus unlimited budget battle. My goodness! In the £2.50 versus unlimited budget burger battle against Ben, how much did you spend per burger? Oh. Because Ben spent £2.50, we're going to give you a leniency of £2.50 either side of your answer.
Per burger, I reckon it was £85.
We didn't give you free reign of that much budget.
No, £27.50.
Oh, cheapskates.
Question number 2. Where is the birthplace? Question number 2. Where is the supposed birthplace of the cheeseburger?
Louisville, Kentucky.
No.
Correct, but I need the specific place.
Oh, it's Kalins. Kalins.
Yes.
Get in, well done.
Nicely done.
Question 3. According to studies done in May 2022, the average American eats how many burgers per year? Is it A, 50, B, 60, or C, 70 burgers? That is a lot of burgers, no matter which answer it may be.
Yeah. Barry, I'm going to have to go with C, 70 burgers.
Jamie?
Yes.
It's unfortunate.
It's B.
Oh, it's never B.
60
it's
burgers.
never the middle one.
60 burgers a year as an average, which means, Jamie, you get 1 very correct answer, and you can take 1 of your ingredients/equipment.
Do you take the bacon that, of course, is you need in a burger, or a burger maker that, of course, you need to make burgers, or do you take Doritos?
I'm going to go with the burger press, please.
Interesting. Classic basic ingredients pressed together.
Yeah.
Right, let's get cooking.
Oh, you're keen.
Okay, Jay, you have up to 10 minutes, and we want a burger. Starting in 3, 2, 1, go! He's got his burger press, he's straight in with it. And a preheated pan.
Okay.
Simple.
Straight away, go for more than 1 burger. Okay.
Opting for no additional seasoning or fat.
Not on that side. Double burger patties. But then we've got to go in with burger sauce, mustard, mayo.
Approximately 2 to 1. And
ketchup.
And 1.5.
This is a lot of sauce.
Yes, Jay, come back.
What are you doing?
So wet.
A little bit of burger vinegar. It's going to be sloppy for sure.
That's a burger sauce.
I don't finger the pickles.
Chopping up some pickles.
Where's that going?
They're going to go into my burger sauce as well. Bit of texture.
More
Nice.
pickle juice and pickle bits.
Lovely. We don't have any smoked paprika, but that would go really well in there if we did.
How we looking?
First burger.
Oh, nice. Let's go.
Now more salt on that side. Seasoning on it, not in it.
Oh no,
they're not
sliced.
They're already cut.
It's not!
Definitely already cut. More mayonnaise. Wow. Mayonnaise heavy.
You've already got sauce!
You chose not to bring salad cream in.
No salad cream. That's too much mayonnaise.
Oh, wow.
Too much mayonnaise.
Oh, okay. Techers. I've seen it before, I've never done it before.
Right, cheese going on top. And then going in with...
Oh, interesting.
Steaming.
Nice. Yeah. Round of applause for the chefs.
Steam that.
Seen it done on a plancha. He's doing it at home.
That's just doing.
So what's the mayonnaise in that bun doing?
The mayonnaise is going to add a little bit of crustiness and a good bit of, like you'd butter. You'd butter a bun, wouldn't
No,
you?
it's like eggy bread. What's mayonnaise? Egg and oil. Chefs are commenting on the steamy pans.
Steamy can.
Those burgers are definitely cooked.
Yeah, they're off-ish.
Yeah, that's definitely taking the heat off.
Come on, mate, you can do it.
Move the glass.
He's now juggling.
Build it.
Come on, Jay.
Come on, Jay, you're throwing it away.
You got this, mate.
Come on, Jay.
So, bun, mayonnaise, sauce, burger, cheese.
Oh, no, he's done it wrong. He's done it wrong.
What's wrong?
He's done it wrong.
What's wrong? What can be wrong with a burger?
Oh, that looks cheese amazing.
Sloppy, tomato,
Right.
lettuce, no, bun. Where's his lettuce?
What's happening? More sauce!
More sauce and mayo. Excellent.
Bring that
Bun. Excellent. Did you have second thoughts about the lettuce?
Yeah, it was going to go on the bottom, and then I panicked, is what happened there.
Well done.
Excellent job. Let's get it into the sloppy sexies.
Oh, bun, no.
Jay, great effort.
Oh.
You were head down focused and we've ended up with a burger.
Yes.
Should we try it?
All levels are wrong cutting into this.
Yeah, we've got to share it, it's fine. But we also want the cross section. I think cross section is important.
And I think I have to call it the sloppy spaff.
It sounds squelchy.
So squelchy.
Right, cheers, dig in while we eat it. Jay, talk us through your logic.
Your body is drenched.
It's quite sodden.
It's a soppy body.
It's very soggy.
So the thinking was, and I know I didn't really talk much during the process, but first of all, burger press, instantly able to get the shape and the thickness that I wanted from the burgers. I used small pans with no fat in, so the fat could run from the mince and then stay in and around the burger, so it was still keeping that flavour there. Made a really quick burger sauce, put the pickles through the burger sauce as well, instead of having to add them separately. And then I toasted the buns with a bit of mayonnaise to add that extra crisp onto there, like you would do with butter, I suppose.
I'm getting like bleaker burger vibes, like some of the best burgers in London. I'm getting that kind of like, where everything kind of is
As one.
as one, it's all congealed.
Homogenous.
Yeah, that's the one.
And you barely need to chew it. You could suck this burger. What I would say,
There you go, your burger chain.
What an endorsement.
You've got endorsement Evers.
Jay, you made a bucket of sauce for a single burger. I'm kind of glad you did, because that's delicious and there's loads left. Like the pickled juice through it cuts through what is otherwise an incredibly fatty burger.
I was worried you went quite heavy on the seasoning. I thought it'd be too salty, but with the pickles and the juice flowing throughout, it's wicked.
I don't feel like I have 60 burgers a year. So when I do have one, I want to make it naughty and indulgent. And I'm hoping that's what I did today.
It's heavy on the fat, it's heavy on the acid, it's heavy on the salt, and therefore it's incredibly moorish and sloppy. It is a sloppy eat, but a very good one at that.
A sloppy, sucky burger. The only area that I felt like I let myself down on was just before the construction. I forgot to put the lettuce on the bottom. The lettuce should have gone. It should be bun, sauce, lettuce, burger, tomato sauce, bun.
Unlike you to forget the salad.
I know, I know.
What would you have done if you had the Doritos and the bacon? Like, are you happy where you ended up?
Doritos would have gone on top. extra bit of crunch. Obviously the bacon would have gone
On top.
not on under the bun,
Oh,
but
okay.
on top of everything else.
Okay,
Yeah, and
okay.
then the bun on top.
Okay.
The bacon, it would have added that smokiness. It would have added that extra crisp. But do you know what? It was all right without it.
I don't know what you think, Baz. I think it was a damn delicious burger.
It's good enough.
Good enough.
It's
It
good
was
enough.
sub 10 minutes, so it makes the board. Do you want to know what time you got?
I would love to know what time it was because I had no concept of time at all.
You had 10 minutes to play with, Jay. You have made it onto the leaderboard. You used just less than a third of your time, 3 minutes 32. Very, very quick.
3 minutes 32.
Come to Spaff's Burgers, you can suck them and they'll be quick.
Top of the leaderboard. On that note, there will be another challenge soon. We don't know who's going to be in the hot seat or the hot stand, but you'll want to see it.
3 minutes 32.
Well done, mate.